This video is a review of Mitsui & Co.'s fiscal year 2025 first quarter financial results. Mitsui & Company is one of Japan's largest and most influential general trading companies. Founded in 1947, Mitsui is part of the larger Mitsui Group, which has roots dating back to the 17th century. Mitsui operates in a broad range of industries worldwide, including energy, metals, machinery, chemicals, food, infrastructure, and financial services. Summary of operating results. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, Mitsui achieved a 9.2% increase in profit, reaching 276.1 billion yen, up from 252.9 billion in the same period last year. Despite the strong Q1 performance, Mitsui & Co. maintained its forecast for the full FY2025. Mitsui continues to expect a net profit of 900 billion yen. In first quarter fiscal year 2025, core operating cash flow achievement against annual target was 22%. Profit of 276.1 billion yen represents a 31% achievement rate against the annual target of 900 billion yen. This progress is as good as expected. Year-on-year segment comparison. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, Mitsui saw varied performance across its business segments compared to the same period last year. Especially machinery and infrastructure profit increased significantly, and lifestyle profit decreased significantly. In machinery and infrastructure segment, profit increased by 73.4 billion yen to 126 billion yen, mainly due to asset sales from the sale of Peyton and the partial sale of VLI. In lifestyle segment, profit decreased by 46.3 billion yen to 14 billion yen, mainly due to the absence of a fair valuation gain on AIM services recorded in the previous fiscal year. Overall, Mitsui's diversified portfolio allowed it to achieve a net profit increase despite some underperformance. Shareholder returns policy. 2-for-1 share split was carried out with an effective date of July 1st, 2024. The full-year dividend for fiscal year 2025 will be 100 yen per share, 15 yen higher versus the previous fiscal year. This will be the minimum as part of the progressive dividend. For fiscal year 2025, Mitsui forecasts a total shareholder return ratio of 40% or more. Mitsui's shareholder returns policy emphasizes consistent and stable returns to shareholders, with a focus on progressive dividend. Share repurchases. Mitsui announced 200 billion yen share repurchases at the board meeting on May 1st, 2024. As of July 31st, 51 billion yen of shares were repurchased. Additionally, roughly 150 billion yen of shares will be repurchased by September 20th, 2024. Share repurchases are a way for companies to return excess cash to shareholders. By buying back shares, the company effectively redistributes profits without having to increase dividend payments. When a company repurchases its shares, the total number of outstanding shares decreases. This reduction in shares typically leads to an increase in the earnings per share, EPS, assuming net income remains constant. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 2,907 yen as of September 4th, and the US dollar stock price is $401.4 as of September 4th. Current PBR is 1.08 and PER is 9.5. Dividend yield is 3.44%. Compared to the last few years, PBR is an average figure, but PER and dividend yield show that current stock price is relatively little high. Recently, many Japanese stocks are relatively high compared to the past years. Conclusion. Although there are concerns that future resource prices may affect business performance, so far, business results have been favorable. Mitsui buybacks own shares periodically, and progressive dividend is a significant advantage for long-term investment. In fiscal year 2025 first quarter, There were no particular surprises, in a good way, and progress is good.